Gonna go on a little adventure, scout out the area. Just take a little walk through the woods. There's an area that I found that'd be cool to sit and relax. I saw it when I first got here. I don't think I can get down there. See, I came this far and I stopped. Now I want to know what's up here. Wow. This is amazing. Look at this. This is awesome. Wow. This is awesome. Found a little area to get to the river closer. There we go. I had to zoom out. Isn't that cool? It's weird how like quiet it is, like in this section of the water. And then where the rapids are, it's louder. I found a cool rock too. I don't know if you can see the sparkles in it. Maybe. There's all kinds of sparkles and rocks. It's all gold. Whoa, there's like a campground over here. This would be cool. Come out here at night. Whoa. There's a trail to it too. This is a cool area. Firewood. Is that cool? See for a mile. Enjoying the river. It's nice and cool down here. Comfortable, relaxing. I just had a cheesy brat with some Cheez-Its, and it was good. I want another one, but I gotta save it for the dinner tonight. Eating the same thing, but whatever. 'Cause I'm only staying one night. My tent's up there. You see my tent? I think that's my tent. Yeah. But I'll show you what you guys are gonna see. What I'm seeing, I should say. Isn't that cool? Just sitting here relaxing, kicking my feet up. Better than being like at my apartment when it's like 80 degrees in my apartment. Yeah. I don't know. I want to make more videos. Just don't know how. I don't have the idea of what to do. I know you guys want more videos of my Outback, but I want to do more of like adventure videos with the Outback. So I don't know. I'll have stuff in there about my Outback here and there, but otherwise I want to do more videos about going on adventures and exploring the Northwest. I gotta find out like new areas I haven't been. Like this is a new area. I've never seen this area. It's in the same area I go camping, but I've never been to this camp spot. Cause it's always been taken by someone. And there's a mosquito. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. It's kind of like a mosquito area. Bunch of mosquitoes. It's the only bad thing. I've caked myself. I caked myself with bug spray. Like, kind of like, need to take a shower now. I feel like they're biting me every once in a while. Oh, it reminds me, when I was cooking the brat, there was this giant beetle. He's like that big. He's huge, and he started crawling up my leg. And I was like, what is that? I reached for it, and he was in my hand. He was huge. I was like, oh my God. I should have recorded it, but I don't know where he is. I let him go. I picked him up and brought him over to the bushes. It's like, holy cow, he was huge. I've never seen a beetle that big around here. But yeah, enjoying this. It's nice, relaxing. Well, it's getting late. It's like 6 o'clock now, 6 p.m. I haven't been doing much. I took a little nap by the river. That was cool. It's nice and cool down there. Up here in this area, it's really warm. So I'm always down here by the river. Much cooler down here. So relaxing down here. Oh, it feels so good. The cool breeze. I like that. I think that's cool how the water flows down like through all here. And just the way it flows down. It's pretty cool. I've been sitting there watching it for like a while now. It's mesmerizing.